Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Monday, the 30th of August 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 closed up 0.2% today to 7,505 points, with materials companies leading the way, while discretionary stocks were the worst performers. Fortescue Metals, that's a materials company, its share price jumped 6.6% after the iron ore miner announced a record profit twice the level of a year ago on the back of higher prices and volumes. That helped the other iron ore miners, with BHP and Rio Tinto finishing up more than 3%. Afterpay ended the day 1.5% higher, while both Aristocrat Leisure and Woolworths ended up 1.2%. Wesfarmers was the worst performing large cap, down 3.2%, while Commonwealth Bank and ANZ were both off 1.1%. Funeral group InvoCare was the best performer on the bourse today, up almost 9%, notwithstanding the group said the lockdowns were hurting business. InvoCare reported a return to profitability for the 6 months to the end of June. PolyNovo, which reported last week, was the next best on the bourse, up 7.5%. Altium was the worst performer, down more than 14%, after it had to release unaudited results today due to the lack of auditors. While the profit was strong, investors obviously didn't like it. Crown Resorts posted a $262 million loss last financial year, thanks to rolling lockdowns and higher costs around restructuring the group. Crown has had a horror 12 months, fronting major inquiries in New South Wales, Victoria and Western Australia, as well as having to close facilities because of COVID. Total revenue is down more than 30% for the year. Analytics software group Nui made a loss last financial year, triggering a 10.5% fall in its share price. Online bookstore Booktopia reported higher than expected book shipments, revenue and earnings as lockdowns helped the business. Demand is up since the end of last financial year, though so too are costs, given its main distribution centre is in a Sydney hotspot. A few of the smaller retailers reported today. Temple & Webster said it made record revenue and profit, with strong tailwinds still behind the business. Both lockdowns and the positive experience of shopping online has helped the retailer. Its share price jumped more than 10% today. Adore Beauty outperformed expectations, helped by the shift to online shopping. Its share price jumped 3.3%. In economic news, gross operating profits for businesses rose more than 7% during the June quarter, with wages and salaries up 2%. There have been some changes to this measure from the Bureau of Statistics, so it's a bit hard to read too much into the very strong number. And mineral exploration surged during the June quarter to a record level, with gold accounting for the biggest chunk of the increase. That's it for the afternoon market report for Monday, the 30th of August 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the Tuesday edition of Fear and Greed, and then for my chat to Adam Smith from Saxo Markets Australia about investing in CFDs. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.